And guys, Drew got here with another lot. I put up lot number 1. It sold really quick, so let's go to lot number 2. In lot number 2 is a sparkly silvery lot, is what I'm going to call it. And you see this little case here that says so much jewelry, so little time. Still has the tag on it. You're going to get the case also. It's a little jewelry case. So let's open up our case here and see what we have in it for our lot number 2. These lots, remember, are $20 each. I will be doing some lots after this one that are going to be less than 20, but this one is $20. So let's open this up and see what we have. Let's put this position. I'm sorry for the noise. Okay, so if you like sparkly, you're going to like this lot. We have this sparkly stretch bracelet that is not stretched out. All the rhinestones are there, so very pretty. We have another stretch bracelet that is all sparkly and silver tone, not stretched out, perfect shape. We have this little wraparound bracelet. These are actually freshwater pearls, so there's your first, trying to put some name brand or some very nice items in here. And this is very, very nice items that aren't necessarily name brand, but you'll see what I mean. So you got mother of pearl wraparound bracelet right there. This little stretch bracelet is faux pearl with the station, rhinestone station things here. All the rhinestones are there, not stretched out. You get this vintage necklace that is shepherd's hook. It's very short, but these are not plastic beads. I believe these are glass beads. If they are plastic, they're really, really heavy plastic, because to me they just feel like good quality old beads. Okay, and that's really short. That's probably like a 15, 16 inch necklace. You get this I started to say mother of pearl. Abalone, I'm not sure if it's real abalone or not, probably not, but it's a pendant. Isn't that pretty? It's silver tone. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Oh, what else is in here? Oh, I see some earrings. Let's move this to the side. Oh, okay, here we go. You get this brooch, this bee brooch that has faux pearls and black rhinestones for the eyes. Isn't that cool? And it's silver tone. Now, there's some earrings in here that I'm going to get out. Okay, there they are. Remember, you get the pouch too, the little jewelry box. Get these silver tone pierced butterfly earrings. Oh, where's the other one of this one? Nope, not wanting to come out of there. You get these sparkly prong set rhinestone earrings. No rhinestones missing. They are pierced also. And then these dangly rhinestones earrings that are pierced. And then the other good quality piece of jewelry you get is, well, I dropped it. I always drop something. Is this silver ring, and it is sterling silver. It has been tested. As you can tell, it needs to be polished up. I do not polish anything. I have not even cleaned this. It is a size 9. It is sterling silver. So real sterling silver you're getting in this piece. You just need to polish it up. Okay, I'm going to show you the inside of it. It needs some good polishing. So, try to show you everything down here. Let's zoom back out. So what you're going to get is you're going to get this box that still has the tag on it. It's a little jewelry box. It's separated into 3 sections, and it has a little pouch up here that you can put things in, and that pouch comes off. It's Velcroed on there. Okay, it says so much jewelry, so little time. You get a sterling silver, I have tested, sterling silver size 9 ring. The earrings, 1, 2, 3 sets of earrings. The bee brooch. The pendant has abalone, don't know if it's real or not. This vintage necklace. And this mother of pearl wraparound bracelet. And these 3 stretchy bracelets. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pieces of jewelry plus the jewelry box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Yeah, 11. And that is, like I said, sterling silver. And this is mother of pearl. Real mother of pearls. So this is all $20. I could probably ship this. I'll just tell me how you want me to ship it. If you want me to ship it priority mail or just the cheapest first class I can get. First come, first serve. Leave a comment down below who wants it. And then send me your email information for PayPal. My email address is down there in the description. And I will have another lot video up really soon after this one. I'm going to film it right now. And I still have that box of jewelry over there. I'm not opening it until I sell some of this stuff. Alright, guys.